Hello teacher. Nice meeting you. Hello teacher. Nice meeting you. How is my child doing? How is my child doing? Is he doing well today? Is he doing well today? He is a smart boy. He is a smart boy. She works very hard always. She works very hard always. Does he need extra help? Does he need extra help? How are his math grades? How are his math grades? She likes to read books. She likes to read books. He behaves well in class. He behaves well in class. Does she listen to you? Does she listen to you? He has good English skills. He has good English skills. She needs to study more. She needs to study more. Can we improve his writing? Can we improve his writing? She is very kind here. She is very kind here. He plays with his friends. He plays with his friends. Is the homework too much? Is the homework too much? She follows all the rules. She follows all the rules. He is great at science. He is great at science. Do you have any advice? Do you have any advice? I will help him home. I will help him home. She is a happy student. She is a happy student. He works well with others. He works well with others. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Teacher. See you next time. Teacher. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a wonderful day ahead.